Do you want to position yourself as the go-to expert in your industry? You can do it with an authority funnel built in GoHighLevel. Let's break it down. Start with your expertise. Whether you're a coach, consultant, or agency, your authority funnel should highlight your knowledge with a free value like guides, checklists, or a webinar. Inside GoHighLevel, use the drag and drop funnel builder to create a landing page that offers your free authority building content in exchange for leads. Set up automation workflows to send welcome emails, case studies, and testimonials. This builds trust while you stay top of mind. Leverage GoHighLevel's testimonial and review widgets to display social proof right inside your funnel pages. Once authority is established, use GoHighLevel's upsell pages or booking calendar to seamlessly transition leads into paying clients. That's how you build an authority funnel in GoHighLevel. Deliver value, show proof, and convert followers into clients. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to leave us your thoughts in the comments.